Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On our way to Kandy, we stopped at one of the most famous woodcraft factories in Sri Lanka, and it was truly fascinating. What impressed me the most was watching the mandala art being created using 100% natural colors. No chemicals, only colors derived from plants, bark, roots, and minerals. The precision, patience, and detailing involved are simply amazing.
Change the color, piece of iron and applied with lime, acid and iron come to oxide. Change the color. Could you guess what color it will be? Just lime, change again. What color? Now yellow. And put into chalk lime paste. What color?
White. No. Orange.
Pink. See, every painted. Every painted, just one wood. Name is Patengi, botanical and Latin name. Natural color lasts forever. Every painted in the temple more than 1,500 years old. And it's 3 billion gold and candy even. 3 layers are there, colors are absorbed. Can watch it, color doesn't go away.
This place beautifully showcases Sri Lanka's rich tradition of wooden handcrafts. Every item here is handmade, from elegant statues and masks to finely carved decor pieces, all crafted from different types of local wood. You can actually see the artisans at work, carving, polishing, and painting each piece with so much of dedication. It really makes you appreciate the skill passed down through generations. If you are traveling towards Kandy, this stop is absolutely worth it. It's not just shopping, it's an experience of Sri Lankan culture, art and craftsmanship. A must-visit place to understand how tradition and creativity come together in Sri Lanka. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for